What's up, everyone? So it's a 5 a.m. drive here in Riyadh. You see, even the sun is not up yet, and the exact time you see is 5 a.m. So check this out. Right now it's dusk, not even sunrise yet, and I'm gonna go from the King Fahd Road. It's one of the busiest streets here in Riyadh, but right now you are gonna see how it is like before sunrise. Maybe it might change your mind into commuting earlier. Okay, so I'll take the ramp down onto King Fahd Road, and well, seems like today there's more traffic. Chaji, I have to make a little bit of content in Urdu, so I'll speak for that as well. तो ये सामने है जी किंगडम टावर, वहाँ पे नज़र आ रहा है, लेकिन अभी चूँकि सूरज तुलू नहीं हुआ तो अभी शायद बहुत ही डार्क आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा, लेकिन कभी कभार इस पर एडवर्टीज़मेंट्स भी चल रही होती हैं। तो सऊदीया की हाईएस्ट बिल्डिंग है जी, टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग है, और ये चला रहे हैं जी हम शंजान एडो 2025 किंग फहद रोड है रियाद में, उसके ऊपर। और ये सीन है जी, ये सामने किंगडम टावर। So coming back to English, so you see the situation of the streets. There's not much traffic. Check this out. I'm gonna take the Makkah road in a bit to reach my work, but you see, we are cruising down the road and it's so much fun, by the way. Oh, come on. This is actually not to judge, but sometimes people can get sleepy while driving. So already it's like 5 a.m. so most people will be coming out of their sleep onto the roads as well. So I thought giving a horn was the appropriate thing to do, so just in case if that's the reason, so the other person might actually get more aware. You know, this horn anyways is to stimulate our senses, the hearing senses. By the way, the horn of this car might not be as strong to stop anyone in their tracks and reconsider their decisions, but anyways, the horn is completely decent, and it actually serves the purpose when required. But some cars do have pretty loud horns. How often do you use it? So now I'll be taking the Makkah road. I think even Makkah road wouldn't be that much rushy. And let us show you some scenes of Makkah road. This is a pretty cool place in itself, the one you are seeing right now. By the way, this car has a turbo engine, so it's actually a beast. You see? So now I will exit onto the Prince Turki Street because that's where I'm headed, and we are also gonna end the video. So let me know in the comments if this made you reconsider your decision about commuting hours. Would you like to commute earlier than usual just to enjoy these clear roads here in Riyadh? I'd be looking forward to your comments and feedback, and also I hope you'd be in the best of your health, wealth, love and happiness in your life, in your matters. So we'll see each other very soon with another video.